What's the meaning of appendix? Appendix. Appendix.
Appendix. Appendix. An appendix is a supplementary material that provides additional information or support to the main content of a document or publication. It can include references, data, statistics, graphs, images, or any other relevant content that complements the main text. The purpose of an appendix is to provide readers with contextual information that can enhance their understanding of the subject matter. Appendices are typically located at the end of a document and are referred to within the text. They are often used in academic writing, research reports, and technical manuals.